Good morning. We're back again. It is Thursday, May the 9th, 2024. I know I said I was going to make a video a couple of days ago, but as you can see, I've been feeling like absolute shit. So here we are. Still been a good week on the charts. Yeah, I just haven't been in the headspace to get in here and talk to anybody or talk in front of the charts or anything. But mustered up the strength with a little push from, external sources. But anyways, I'm going to go over what I've been looking at this week and how it's been going. And we'll go over the trade for today. I don't know how, because I'm doing, this is like a challenge account. So I just been trading every day. And after market close for the day, it doesn't show me the little arrows anymore. So that's why, like, for today here on ES, here on ES, you can see the little arrows for the entries and exits. But for previous days, you cannot, unfortunately. So I'll just kind of talk about what I would have taken, what I saw, and kind of in hindsight, and then we'll go over what we went through today and what we were looking at this morning for our silver bullet trade. Anyways, let's start back Monday with NQ and ES. Monday. Okay, so let's go back here. Get them all lined up. Okay, cool. Okay, so boom. ES, we would have been looking at the charts around 9:45. So boom. Get to about 9:45. And as you can see, it's similar on both charts. So actually, we did trade Monday. I remember this one vividly. We went in for this fair value gap here. Boom. We took this trade early. It came back down again. Our stop loss was here below this candle because this candle is below the 50% of this candle, which would be the order block. So below the mean of that order block. So we put it below this candle here. And we ran up. We only got 5 handles this day because it was actually a very sloppy day. So I couldn't hold for that day. I don't know if I made a video about Monday or not. I might have. But aside from that, yeah. We took that trade Monday. And now on to Tuesday, we took a trade on ES as well with this fair value gap here. We waited for it to sweep below this candle, and we got in. I'm around the low of this candle, so like really, it was a really good entry that day. Unfortunately, here I moved my stop loss up to. No, after this return into this fair value gap, I moved my stop loss up to this, below this low here, which was about 19 ticks, almost 4 handles. And then as you see here, it came back down, stopped me out. So that was a gain of 4 handles, like $200 and something. That was Tuesday. Yesterday, I actually did not end up trading because I was feeling worse than I felt today. So yesterday did not trade. And as you can see today, we did trade. We actually have the executions here. So what I was looking for this morning was I woke up around, I would like to say 8:45, 8:50, 9 o'clock, sometime around there. So boom, we had seen price return into this fair value gap here, ran up, took out this high, and as you can see, we took out that high on ES, but we had not taken out that high on NASDAQ. So as we made a higher low here, we made a lower low and swept this liquidity here on NASDAQ. So ideally, you would have been wanting to trade, or me personally, I would have been wanting, I traded ES because ES was leading with strength to the upside. So boom, came back down into this fair value gap here. I actually took an entry and closed it out because I was looking at a 1 minute chart and I didn't like the way price was moving. So I waited for price to close above these highs here, and then entered again on this immediate rebalance on the 5 minute chart. So you have the bottom of this candle here touching the top of this candle here. That's immediate rebalance. Boom, ran up. Initially, I was aiming for 52.30 and a half. And when we go down to this 1 minute, I can show you what happened. So initially, I was aiming for 52.30 and a half. We made this high here. Boom. I wanted to see us run and sweep 52.30 before we came back down below into this fair value gap here. As soon as this candle closed or started coming down below this candle here, I closed my trade out. Just, wasn't feeling it. Didn't want the market to reverse on me because I had my stop loss below here. So yeah, just closed it out. All in all, that was about $500 though, so it was good. Profit made, that's all that really matters. Jesus. Anyways, if we look over at NQ, you can see similar price action there. If we were to trade NQ, we would have been looking for these highs here and possibly these highs back here, which haven't been swept yet, which I still believe will be swept. So I'll be looking for in the next, before 11:45, I'll be looking for 18,241 and 3/4 to be swept on NQ. If that doesn't happen, it doesn't matter to me, but that's just my target for the end of the morning session. These highs back here from Wednesday morning. So I want to see us sweep those, and then we'll see what we do in the afternoon session from there. I don't believe I'll trade the afternoon session, but if we do, then I'll make a separate video for that. Or if I do, then I'll make a separate video for that. Until then, I'm going to chill, probably play some games, and yeah. Talk to you guys later. Be safe.